In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Authenticator for MFA logins for Lightning Experience and Salesforce Classic. Multi-factor authentication adds a strong second check to your login, and Salesforce Authenticator makes that second step fast and secure. To begin, make sure you have your smartphone handy. Open the App Store or Google Play and install the free Salesforce Authenticator app. Give it a moment to download and allow notifications so you can receive approval prompts later. Next, sign in to Salesforce in your browser. Click your profile icon, go to Settings, then use the search bar to find App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. Click Connect. This starts the pairing process between your Salesforce account and the app on your phone. You'll be asked to enter your username and password. When Salesforce prompts you for multi-factor authentication, choose the option to select another verification method, then pick Salesforce Authenticator. This tells Salesforce you want to approve logins using the mobile app instead of a text message or email. Now switch to the Salesforce Authenticator app on your phone and tap Add an Account. On your computer, you'll see a two-word phrase. Enter that exact two-word phrase into the app. This securely links your device to your Salesforce account without sharing your password. When the app recognizes the phrase, tap Connect in the app to finalize. You'll see confirmation in both the app and your browser, and setup is complete. If you don't see the prompt right away, make sure your phone has a data connection and that notifications are enabled for the app. From now on, when logging in with MFA, the flow is simple. Go to the Salesforce login page and enter your username and password as usual. After you submit, a push notification will appear on your phone from Salesforce Authenticator. Open the app, review the details shown on the approval screen, like the user and the service requesting access, and then tap Approve. This instantly completes your login. If something looks off, you can deny the request to keep your account secure. If your phone doesn't have an internet connection or you don't receive a push, you can still get in. Open the Salesforce Authenticator app to view the one-time code it generates, and enter that code on the Salesforce MFA screen in your browser. The code works offline and changes frequently for your protection. That's it. With Salesforce Authenticator connected, you'll log in quickly and securely across both Lightning Experience and Salesforce Classic. Keep the app installed, notifications on, and your device secured for the best experience.